Welcome back to the Auto Chapter, guys. Today we are diving into the world of pure performance, Italian craftsmanship, and breathtaking design with the all-new 2026 Ferrari F80. This car is not just another addition to Ferrari's legendary lineup. It's a statement of what the future of hypercars looks like, combining cutting-edge technology with the timeless passion that Ferrari has always delivered. So sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at what makes the Ferrari F80 one of the most talked about supercars of 2026. The exterior of the 2026 Ferrari F80 is nothing short of extraordinary. Ferrari has pushed the boundaries of aerodynamics, creating a design that is not only visually stunning, but also functional. The car sits low to the ground, with sharp, flowing lines sculpted for maximum airflow and downforce. Its aggressive front fascia features ultra-slim LED headlights integrated seamlessly into the hood, giving it a futuristic and menacing look. Large air intakes dominate the sides, channeling cool air directly into the hybrid powertrain, while the rear showcases an active wing and diffuser system designed to enhance stability at blistering speeds. The carbon fiber body ensures lightweight construction without compromising strength, and every curve of this machine screams performance. Even standing still, the F80 looks like it's ready to tear up the track. Moving on to performance, Ferrari has truly raised the bar with the F80. At its heart, the car features a revolutionary hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with advanced electric motors, delivering a combined output of around 1,200 horsepower. This immense power allows the F80 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars ever built. Top speed? A jaw-dropping 250 miles per hour, pushing the limits of what's possible on four wheels. But Ferrari didn't stop at raw speed. The F80 is equipped with state-of-the-art suspension systems, torque vectoring, and all-wheel drive, ensuring razor-sharp handling and cornering precision. The active aerodynamics adapt in real time, keeping the car planted firmly on the road whether you're cruising a highway or taking on a racetrack. This isn't just a hypercar, it's a technological masterpiece designed to thrill both driver and audience. Inside the Ferrari F80, the cabin is a perfect blend of futuristic luxury and racing DNA. Step inside and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit, where every element is designed to maximize performance and comfort. Carbon fiber and Alcantara dominate the interior, creating a lightweight yet premium feel. The steering wheel is packed with integrated controls, inspired by Formula One, allowing the driver to adjust performance settings without ever taking their hands off the wheel. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time data, from lap times to power distribution, while the central touchscreen handles navigation, connectivity, and infotainment with stunning clarity. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, ensuring the driver stays firmly in place even under extreme G-forces. Despite its race-bred DNA, Ferrari has ensured the F80 doesn't compromise on modern conveniences, offering wireless connectivity, premium sound systems, and customizable interior trims for those who want a touch of personalization. It's a cockpit built for adrenaline, yet refined enough to make every journey special. Now let's talk about the price, because a machine of this caliber doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to start around $2.8 million, placing it firmly in the realm of exclusive hypercars. With limited production numbers, ownership is not just about buying a car, it's about becoming part of Ferrari's elite family. Every buyer will receive bespoke customization options, allowing them to tailor the F80 to their exact tastes, making each unit unique. This car isn't just transportation, it's an investment in art, engineering, and status. While the price tag is astronomical, it reflects the unmatched performance, exclusivity, and heritage that comes with the prancing horse badge. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is the ultimate showcase of what Ferrari stands for: passion, innovation, and performance without compromise. From its breathtaking exterior design to its jaw-dropping performance and luxurious interior, it's a car that defines the future of hypercars while honoring the brand's iconic legacy. for enthusiasts, collectors, and dreamers alike. The F80 is a symbol of what happens when engineering perfection meets artistic brilliance. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting hypercars of our time. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts about the Ferrari F80 in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.